Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Slack for channel-based productivity routines, beginner guide step-by-step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL slack.com and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the sign in button located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the sign in button to proceed. You will now be prompted to enter your workspace URL. If you don't know your workspace URL, you can find it in the invitation email you received from your team. Once you have entered the URL, click on Continue. Next, enter your email address associated with your Slack account. After entering your email, click on Continue again. You will receive a sign-in link in your email inbox. Check your email for the sign-in message from Slack. Open the email and click on the Sign in to Slack button. This action will redirect you back to the Slack application. Once redirected, you may be asked to create or enter a password, depending on your account settings. After setting your password, click on Sign in to log into your workspace. Now you are inside your Slack workspace. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. On the left side, you will see your channels listed. To join a channel, click on the Channels section. From there, you can browse or search for channels of interest. Click on a channel name to enter. Once inside a channel, feel free to start participating in discussions. Now you are ready to engage and enhance your productivity using Slack. Explore additional features to further streamline your communication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.